The Speaker and several lower house leaders have been up and about leading various caravans and government activities to bring the programs and services of the Marcos administration closer to the people, like today's convergence programs of various agencies held in Quezon Province that benefited thousands of farmers and hundreds of students in definite need of assistance to help them cope with life's challenges. Melales Moras has more.
Despite his age and disability, 51-year-old Ven from Chaong, Quezon continues to pursue his studies. He is a second-year college student, and amid all the hardships in life, he still strives hard for his family. That's why Ven is extremely grateful when he was chosen to be one of the beneficiaries of various aid distributed in Quezon today.
Malaking tulong po sa katulad namin estudyante, lalo na po ako may sariling pamilya na. Yung pong binibigay na ayuda ay malaking kabawasan po yon para sa budget namin sa aming pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez led the convergence program of various agencies and assistance payout in Chaong, Quezon today, together with House Deputy Speaker and Quezon 2nd District Representative J.J. Suarez, among other officials. About 3,000 farmers and 800 students benefited from the cash assistance and other aid distributed here. According to Speaker Romualdez and D.S. Suarez, this initiative is part of the administration's promise of bringing government services closer to the people.
Ito ang sinasabi natin, mahal na Presidente, na whole of government approach. Yung buong gobyerno ay nagiging parang isang basketball team. Teamwork ang kailangan. Lahat kami may role.
Dati, ang dami-daming pera ng pamahalaan, kaso lang hindi natin nararamdaman. Ngayon, sa ilalim ng liderato ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, nararamdaman natin ang pondo ng pamahalaan dahil ito ay naibababa natin sa taong nangangailangan.
In a media interview, Romualdez personally shared what he discussed with Senate President Francis Escudero during their meeting yesterday.
Ay siyempre naman yung budget kasi pagkatapos ng SONA, isusumiti na naman yung budget sa year 2025. Kaya doon na lang yung kasunduan na lang ang pinag-uusapan natin ng House at ng Senate. Yun ang pinakamabigat at pinakamalaking legislation po.
Meanwhile, on the rice tarification law, how are the proposed amendments going so far?
Ongoing po at saka mukhang nagkakasunduan na ang House at yung Senate at mukhang malapit na matatapos nila makakaroon tayo ng magandang resolusyon.
Before traveling to Quezon, Speaker Romualdez also stood as the guest of honor at the 2024 Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers Mid-Year Convention, International Engineering Expo, and Technical Conference in Pasay City. Here he urged Filipino engineers to help the administration in building vital infrastructure projects in the country. Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.